Okay guys, so this time I have on the bench. As you can see guys, this is the finish up of this it this is it guys, and this is the DD audio 9918 SC supercharged. Yes guys, 9980. Yes, this is 18-inch. Yes guys, and where I put the dust cap, let me show you something guys. So yes, GD audio guys, this is the bench test, and this is the other dust cap. We use this two dust cap, it comes with two. So yeah, this is one of our voice coil replacement, and this time it's having a dual 2-ohm voice coil. So this is the bench test guys, so let's go on or get on with it right now. I hope my amplifier will manage this, maybe not, but I'm not gonna stress it too much. So let me just let's send some tone to it and see how well it goes. So I'm gonna start at 42. It's 42 hertz guys. Woo! Not you can't push that too much. It's at 42 hertz. Whoa, stuff right there. That's at 42 hertz right there. 42 hertz. Right. We're gonna go down to it's 31 hertz guys. 31 hertz, oh my god, look at this thing. Yeah, 31 hertz. This thing is, yeah. It's wired down to 1 ohm guys. So dual 2-ohm wired down to 1 ohms. This thing is a beast. Look. I want this thing to really just feeling the voice coil, temperature. Pretty good. Woo. I don't want to put no more port here, guys. This thing will just mess my amplifier. So let me take it down. Let me try 29. Right. That's 29 hertz, guys, right? Aha. So you see what's going on guys? Yes. Alright guys, so give me a minute here guys, I have a customer coming. Hold on. Thanks guys, sorry about that. Some more flexing now guys, some more flexing. We have a customer. Holy shit, wow. Still all the way up. Come on, down a little bit. Alright guys, so it's at 29 hertz guys. Alright, so well, this is not taking. You know what's stuff underneath it. This thing is not. Come on, let's see what you oh man, it's coming out. Yeah, come on. Calm down, little thing. Keep going. Jeez. 29 hertz, guys, is dangerous. Look at that, guys. This thing is back and forth. Wow. These guys. I think that guy is messing on my chair right now. My little rock chair. So if I put my body against it, guys, for it to just, stop vibrating. As you can hear my voice, guys, yeah. Alrighty then. Uh-oh. I think that's the amplifier, guys. Go into protection mode if I'm not wrong. Yeah, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Hold on. Turn this down. Then you go again. Alright, yeah. The amplifier just went into the protection mode, as you know, guys. You see my videos here. This amount of power. Alright, guys, let me turn this up a bit. Look at that flexing, guys. That's a nice flexing right there. Oh, yeah. Whining and whining and dining and whining. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Yes, guys, this thing's a monster, guys, believe me. Now, when I put it back on the chair, this thing is gonna create havoc right now. Oh, yeah. Get it running out of the chair. Ooh, let me turn on the volume a bit. Yikes! Insane. Ay, ay, ay. Right. Ay, ay, ay. Man, this thing, guys. So, guys, yeah, that's it right here. Whew. That's my little test for this DD audio, guys. 9918 SC, guys. Yes, guys, this is the supercharged version, and this is at dual 2 ohms right now. Yeah, I replaced the voice coil. Yes, guys, and this time I put a dual 2 ohm instead of the one they normally have. I think they did have a 1 ohm, if I'm not wrong, and when you link them together, you go down to half ohm. So I do it to go down to 1 ohm. That's more reliable to me in my book. Yeah, that's more. No little 1 ohm right here, no half ohm. Yeah. They have a longer lifespan with this right now, doing 1 ohm, you know. Yeah. So yeah. So guys, that's it. And somebody sent a message to me and tell me that this can be dual 2 ohms. This brand and some kicker. And guys are the person who texts me, hey, don't listen to what people say, prove it for yourself. It's working, okay? I've been doing this a long time. Maybe I look stupid, I don't know, maybe to you I look stupid, so I don't know why you think, that. Yeah, but yeah. Don't listen to what people say. I don't think he really knows what he was saying, because some people don't say shit sometimes just to make, they don't like you or they don't like your channel or something, so they say stuff. So guys, see right here I have the push terminal right here, guys. Yeah, and these take up to 8 gauge, I think, yes, 8 gauge. Yeah. So everything is up and running, guys, and this thing is bumping, and and yep. So yeah, guys, that's it. So that's it for now. I'm gonna put the dust cap on after, not now, and then we're gonna have some more fun with it, guys. I'm gonna have a lot of fun off camera and stuff like that. So alright, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna do 40 hertz right now. It's 40 hertz. This thing is spinning around. What the heck? What's that about? Yeah. Look at that, guys. This thing is going around. Let's stop right there. Yeah, I think the wire run out. Come on, this phone keep. That's 45 hertz. Let's go down. It's 35 hertz. Yeah, let's play right here a little bit, guys. The volume. Let's play a little bit here. Man, this is like a fun. Feel it cool, the wind. Yes, guys, from it. It's really cool in my hands, honestly. Ooh-wee. Yeah, but that's it. That's very white. Be careful with that. Just take the temperature of the mascara, but you know it's good. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna get my gun soon. I can check it, but it's good. Woo. Oh man! All right, guys. That's gonna be it right here. Definitely, that's what's gonna be it. Yeah. Amplifier goes on for the second time. So yep. So please like, subscribe, guys, if you like what you see, and cardio for now, guys. So this is the DD audio, guys, 9918 at dual 2 ohms, guys, and it wired down to 1 ohms right now. So yes, so everything is good, working fine, and see you on the next one, guys. I have 3 more of these to do. I mean, 4 more. Yeah, 4. Oh my words. So yes, guys, you're gonna see a video for some, maybe not, maybe, you know, I'll let you know. Okay, you already see this video, but I'm gonna show stuff in the other video that I didn't show you in this one, like to connect these push terminal and stuff like that instead of the wire, and then you know we go on from there, guys. All right, carry out for now, guys. Net enough respect. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what you see, guys. And yep, this is the supercharge, guys. Fat stuff, yeah, you know. DD audio, guys. Enough respect.